Hi, welcome to Hari Systems. For our previous sessions, we have completed last video, that is how to create a basic app of Django using Django framework. That is the music. Let's see, if you are not aware of that, please view our previous video to know more details about the how to create the basic app. Till now, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and avail all the videos freely, and comment and share and like such more. And coming to the session here, we'll see in this session of the overview of the app, the structure, where the files, the structure files, how it will be useful, and creation of the structure. Now let's see, once we created that music app by using this command over here, it's showing here python space manage.py start app space music. Now let's see here, this is the folder that app is created by itself. It's a single command. And now we'll see there is a folder, it is called, where we are created this start app on under web app. Now let's see that music, there is a folder, it's on migrations, which is created. Why the migrations? In the sense, we are creating under the web app that music app, hence it's created. Migrations is a folder. This is the basic hierarchy and basic skeleton and basic structure of an app. Now let's see here init.py, but every app it's creating init.py. We'll see why it's a requirement of the init initialization of the that particular app in coming sessions. Now let's very important that it's admin.py. This is the file they have introducing. Why? Because for every app or every application or every web application or web project, it's a highly required for admin level management and such a things. For that they have created admin.py. If the end user may require something, the administrator want to authorize or approve or avail such contents and many things by using this special user, hence they are given a admin role separately. And apps, what are the apps to be adding and what is the name of the app, what is introducing with this application, we have to specify over here. And coming to the models, it's nothing but it's a model, it's nothing but it's connectivity with the creating with the database. This is the database. It's nothing but a blueprint of your schema, and what is the schema over here, and accessing of this particular app. Now let's see, for example, if it is on a music application or app we are creating over here, there is a different tables may require. And for example, if it is the one movies are there is a category of movies: Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil, and English and foreign languages, and many, Hollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood, and many etc. And under the category there is movies of Hollywood or Bollywood movie names, and under the movie names there is music directors are there. Under the directors, what they have provided that particular movie musics and lyricist songs, and these are the different categories. They may be available on different tables, hence the different models are may require over here. That will comes into the picture. We'll see what is the models and all will function, how will work on the models, we'll see on the upcoming sessions. And tests, where is the bugs are there in our code, or if any issues, in the sense we have written in similar some mistakes or some logics may overcome, or it's not reaching our standards, then we can avail of we'll see that in this test pages. And views, this is the main of page. The most of the time the user may spends on the views. Why? See here, I'll simply explain you. We are the developers, we are creating and developing in the code and all the things, and we are deploying into the server, web server. Whereas the end user will see the output of the web project. It's a web app. The endpoint views only visible to the user. He'll see and he'll interacting with that application. He's querying with that app, and he's inserting, and he's requesting, and he is searching and finding the functionalities what we have provided, the user level functionalities. He may perform it. In the sense, most of the forms and most of the project views and functionalities will be done by the end level user who is available to view such a forms. It comes under views. Okay, now in the coming sessions, till now you will have a brief idea about the app and how it will be structure creations, and what are the forms it will be available, and how it will be useful for to develop an application. Okay, and upcoming sessions we'll see how app will take to give enough functionalities to the app. Thank you for you viewing this video. Please subscribe and like and share and comment your views if any clarifications regarding this video. Thank you.